All right, the purpose of today's video is to show you where your homework is at for comparing and ordering decimals practice. So we're going to go to target 2 right here, click on that, and then that's going to bring us to our information right here underneath the video, compare and order decimals practice. The Khan Academies that are assigned to you are actually right here as well, so you could click on those if you wanted to. But I'm going to click right here, compare and order decimals practice, because that's where it is. Remember, you should have out a piece of paper, take your lined paper and turn it sideways just like this, okay, so that you can line the numbers up with one another. Record your answers on a piece of paper or take screenshots, because remember, your answers will not save. Okay, so once you finish or you're satisfied with your score, then you can quit it. Otherwise, else you can practice this as many times as you need to make sure that you are prepared for your quick quiz on Monday. Bye.